Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing VPN app that ensures secure and unlimited browsing, HX Tunnel VPN. This VPN stands out due to its high-speed servers and support for multiple protocols, making it an ideal choice for a safe and seamless internet experience. Whether you're looking to access geo-restricted content or protect your online identity, HX Tunnel VPN has you covered. Let's jump right into the step-by-step guide on how to install and use HX Tunnel VPN. Step 1. Start by opening the Play Store. Simply tap on the Play Store icon on your phone to begin. Step 2. Once you're on the Play Store homepage, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen to access the search bar. Step 3. In the search bar, type HX Tunnel VPN and then press the Enter key or tap the search button. Step 4. You'll see a list of search results. Carefully look through them and select HX Tunnel VPN. You can identify it by its distinctive VPN icon. Step 5. Next, tap the Install button. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Step 6. After installation, the Install button will change to an Open button. Tap on it to launch HX Tunnel VPN. Step 7. Upon launching the app, you'll be directed to the home screen of HX Tunnel VPN. You may receive a prompt asking for notification permissions. You can either allow or deny this based on your preference. Step 8. On the home screen, ensure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so the app can fetch the latest server list. Once updated, the app may restart. Just wait a few seconds. Step 9. HX Tunnel VPN offers two main sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. This makes the app very flexible and user-friendly. Step 10. To select a server, tap on the Server section. You will see a list of servers based on various global locations. Choose any server that fits your needs. You can switch anytime. Step 11. After selecting your preferred server, it's time to pick a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks section to view a list of built-in protocols. Scroll through and select the one that works best for you. Step 12. If you're interested in using custom settings instead of the built-in options, tap the radio button next to Custom Settings, located at the top right corner of the Tweaks section. Step 13. A window will appear where you can choose from protocols like Slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL settings, and more. Some protocols may require custom servers, while others can work with built-in options. Step 14. After selecting your desired settings, return to the home screen. Tap on the large Start button to connect. Within seconds, your device will be connected securely to the internet. Thank you for watching.